The night they reached the top of the world, no one knew the next chapter would take 60 years to write. From faded pictures hanging on the wall to stories every father told us all. That old stadium remembers every tear, every dream that disappeared. Kids still chase a ball through the evening light, kicking hope into the summer sky, believing one day they will see history come alive. Beckham bending magic through the air, Owen flying faster than despair. Golden generations came and went, leaving memories heaven sent. Yet through every loss and every scar, the song survived in every heart, and the voices never faded in the dark. Some heroes walked away, some grew old and gray, some passed their dreams to children on the way. The numbers change with time, the names no longer rhyme, but one promise never died. 60 years away, still burning in the night. One generation dreaming, another keeps the light. From London streets to northern shores, from every pub to every roar, a nation singing louder than before. Bring it home tonight. 60 years of waiting, never washed away. Through every tear and heartbreak, we still believe today. White shirts rising in the wind again, three lions marching through the rain, and every soul is singing just the same. Bring it home tonight. Now a new story stands beneath the lights, a new generation ready for the fight. They know the weight they carry on their backs is bigger than the names they have. It's every sleepless night before a game, every memory attached to the flame, every fan who never stopped believing, even through the pain. Some remember 66 so clear, some have never seen those glory years, but they still stand side by side tonight, holding hope against the tide. And when the final whistle blows, no matter how the story goes, they'll still be singing that familiar song. Because love is not the prize, it's believing after all this time. When every reason says you're wrong. 60 years of waiting, still burning in the night. One generation dreaming, another keeps the lights. From London streets to northern shores, from every pub to every roar, a nation singing louder than before. Bring it home tonight. 60 years of waiting, never washed away. Through every tear and heartbreak, we still believe today. White shirts rising in the wind again, three lions marching through the rain, and every soul is singing just the same. Bring it home tonight. If glory comes tomorrow, it'll know the road we've walked, the heartbreaks, the near misses, the dreams that never stopped. 60 years, Long enough for boys to become fathers. Long enough for heroes to become memories. Long enough for a nation to keep asking the same question. When will our time come? Because the faith remains alive. And when the three lions rise again, the whole world will hear us cry. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on, bring it home. We've waited long enough.